In this video, we're going to answer a common question: how to integrate Housecall Pro with Stripe. If you're new to Housecall Pro, this is a powerful tool designed for service-based businesses. It helps you manage appointments, dispatch technicians, process payments, and a lot more. But today, we're focusing on an essential part: payment integration with Stripe. By integrating Housecall Pro with Stripe, you can streamline your payment processing, ensuring your clients can pay quickly and securely. You'll be able to accept credit card payments, charge deposits, and manage all transactions smoothly through your service management platform. Before we dive into the steps, you should know that you can access Housecall Pro for free, thanks to an exclusive offer through the first link below. Stick around, because I'll also share how you can get an extended free trial, which is perfect if you want to fully explore the software and its features without any pressure. Now let's get started with the integration process. First things first, you need a Stripe account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the Stripe website and set one up. It only takes a few minutes. Once that's ready, log in to your Housecall Pro account. From your Housecall Pro dashboard, go to the Settings menu. Look for the Payments section. This is where you'll set up your payment methods. Under the Payment Integrations tab, you'll find Stripe as an option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to link your Stripe account. Housecall Pro will ask for permission to connect to your Stripe account. You'll need to log into your Stripe account if you haven't already and approve the connection. Once that's done, Housecall Pro will sync with Stripe and be ready to accept payments. From here, you can set your payment preferences, including which payment methods you want to accept through Stripe. This can be customized for your business needs, whether you're processing one-time payments, deposits, or recurring billing. What makes this integration really powerful is that Housecall Pro automatically updates your transactions, so you don't have to worry about manual entries. All the payments processed through Stripe will be reflected in your Housecall Pro account, allowing you to easily track and manage your cash flow. The system will also send invoices and receipts to your clients, which saves you time on administrative tasks. In case you run into any issues, Housecall Pro provides support to help with the Stripe integration. Whether it's troubleshooting a connection problem or customizing your payment options, you'll have the resources to ensure everything works seamlessly. The beauty of this integration is that it's designed to save you time and reduce payment errors. No more manually chasing payments or dealing with complicated invoices. The process is automated, reliable, and secure. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a way to integrate Housecall Pro with Stripe, it's a simple, quick process that'll optimize your payment systems. Plus, as a special offer for viewers, you can access Housecall Pro completely free from the link below with an extended trial to really get a feel for the software and see how it can transform your business. Make sure to check that link for the free trial and start streamlining your payment processing with Housecall Pro and Stripe today.